Well, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Dream Big 2. This is one of these mornings after all that heat. It's raining. I just don't like the rain. But yeah, this morning I actually wanted to leave really early because I thought I need to use the morning hours, the cool morning hours. But supposedly it's kind of cooler the whole day. And yeah, the lightning and thunder, wow, this morning, that was a good, yeah, it was good, yeah, it was interesting to, yeah, I just didn't make me want to get out of the tent, but yeah, finally I packed everything. It's now 6:15, and yeah, I can leave. I just don't want to do it. Well, I don't have to do all these miles that I have in mind, but yeah, if I could go to La Paz, which is 39 miles away, we'll see. I mean, if it's cool, I guess I can do it. I can do it anyways, but also I just take off my jacket even though it's cold. No, I think it's good. I just have to, think about it differently. And yeah, once I take off my jacket, it's still raining a little bit. I just have to move so that I don't get cold. But yeah, let us just see what the day brings. I guess it's day 29. I'm feeling tired too. Yeah, I don't know. It's because I have little sleep every day or every night, but also, yeah, this night there's just so much lightning and thunder, wow, and a lot of rain. But yeah, I packed everything. I'm happy. Let's go. So at least the timing is good for the start of the run. It's dry, cool. Let's see what the day brings, but yeah, why not enjoy the cooler air? Yeah, that's good. So hopefully I'm not gonna get too wet, but I guess even so I would be dry off quite quickly too. So yeah, I have to say, as always, once you're out of bed or out of the tent and packed and just on the road, things feel so much different. But yeah, between 4 and 5 this morning I was like, no, don't want to run. But now it's just great. I think the first part is definitely downhill. I'm sure there's an uphill part, but we will see how far away La Paz is. So yeah, this is quite amazing. I'm running downhill again for almost 10 miles, and in about 3 miles there's a city coming. Maybe there's a Viaje station up there, I'm not sure. And yeah, I just have a feeling I will go up sometime soon, for a long time. So yeah, this is really beautiful. Wow. And the temperature just seems right. And yeah, when you look around, it doesn't look like a desert. Yeah, every now and then, a little house somewhere in the sand. Ooh, in between the bushes. But yeah, it's pretty. So we're now we have 13 miles. We're gonna enter this town. I have to look up its name. And then we go for 26 of the miles. Here we go. This is Desaguadero, a very small town. I guess police checkpoint. And after that, a marathon to La Paz. Yeah,
It's already warmer definitely again, but might have some showers, but I don't know. So, past the checkpoint. Here we go. Here we go, my friends. Desaguadero, provincia de Mendoza. Aha! We made it to the province of Mendoza. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, still about 180 kilometers away from Mendoza, I believe. Oh, there's another checkpoint coming. Bienvenido a Mendoza. That feels so great. That feels so great. Hola. So, unfortunately, I lost some time, but I was invited for a coffee, and you can never say no to a coffee that is offered. So I have now enough energy because there was sugar inside and leche, and yeah, what a wonderful family that helped me here again. So let's go to La Paz. It's far and it is hot. So after leaving San Luis and coming into province of Mendoza, we now enter the autopista again, and looks like I might have enough room here. Let's see for how long. I'm ready to do 23 miles to La Paz. I'm excited to get there. Always wanted to go to La Paz. How do you like it? Oh, I really love that side. It's beautiful. Oh. The world is so large. Even after running around the world, I have seen so little of it. Oh man. And our lives are so short. Oh. So mile 20.5. This is relatively slow but steady uphill running. I'm slowly getting kind of into it with pushing that buggy, and I think in about 2 months I'm already feeling much stronger, much better, but yeah, every day seems to be a little bit easier, so that's good. I mean, there's always the days when you just don't feel it. That can be any day, but it's pretty nice to actually. What's so nice today is a cool, not cool, but a little bit of coolish breeze. I think it's the first time in Argentina so far that the wind is not warm or hot. It's just comfortable. Not really cool, but not hot and not warm. So that's good. And yeah, it doesn't make the running so much easier. if the wind or the temperature around you is not above your body temperature. Oh, 26 miles. Oh, that is beautiful here. But yeah, it does look like desert. The uphill running for I think about 12 miles seems to be done for now. It's flat and a bit downhill. But I'm right now going to the shade for a little break, just 5 minutes, and then we do the 13 miles. But I want to kind of show you around here. This is beautiful. Oh, let me take this up. Here we go. Yeah, so this is the road. It is endless. And this is the tree. I'm going to take a break. And yeah, this is how it looks here. Dry. Very dry. But a cyclist just passed me and asked me for aqua again. So I think I still have about 4 liters. Yeah, better be safe than sorry. But yeah, take a break and then let's go 13 miles to La Paz, and I am excited to go to La Paz. So yeah, I'm on my way again. This wasn't a good choice, that tree. There's so many mosquitoes. Wow. I call them nurse mosquitoes because they know exactly where to sit on your body and get the blood right away. So when I killed the first one, it was just bleeding right away. And wow. So yeah, they got me, but learned my lesson, I guess. So let's just move on for 13 miles. So here we go, mile 30, still running uphill, but it's less than 10 miles to go now, and we're gonna be in La Paz. And there's not much shade around here, but I have plenty of fruits, and I think it is a little bit cooler than the days before. I mean, it's kind of getting there to be quite hot, but I think we're fine. Just gonna get to La Paz, go to La Paz. Yeah, but it's a bit of a struggle uphill, but I guess that is what it's all about. Up and down. So wow, I just had another amazing encounter with a family who, their sons, the 3 sons, they all play music, and 2 of them gave me a street concert. So wonderful. Yee-hoo! Less than 5 miles to go. We have another peaje, estazioni peaje, and yeah, this is a beautiful day. It is hot, but not as crazy hot as the last couple of days. So, still, let's go to La Paz. I am so ready to get there. 7, and it's hot. Whew. Wow. And of course, I was really focused. I was like, oh, just 1 more mile. The car pulls up, gives me an ice bottle of ice water, just out of the blue. Just a family, 2 children, and it's always kind of the older cars who stop. It's amazing. It is amazing. So 1 last break. This is the exit to La Paz. Oh, so nice. Had to drink and eat again. It's about 1.5 miles into the center, and then we're gonna find a hotel. And there's also camping if there's no hotel. But if there's a hotel, I think I'm gonna take it tonight after last night. But yeah, this has been kind of it's lonely to run like this, but then you know, every now and then these little acts of kindness, and yeah, we just want to move forward, or I want to move forward. I definitely hope you're gonna move forward with me. So yeah, let's go to La Paz. Welcome to La Paz. I just talked with the chicos de Bazaar, and yeah, they have everything. It's like IKEA on the road, or some kind of store, I guess. Wow, it is hot. That's why no one is out except me again. But now we go to the center. This is beautiful. A lot of green benches. Whew. So I already checked out a nice place. They don't have Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna walk a mile to see another. I can never say this. Hospedaje. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if this other place is okay. Otherwise, I'll go back. These parks, really beautiful, and still have to go a couple of squares, as they call it. Wow. Yeah, this is nice. Here we go. To wrap up this day, well, after 39 miles of running, I got a room with Wi-Fi. That's not really working. But anyways, I think it's good, so I have time to just sleep early, which is good. Oh, and I feel so good. I haven't had a shower and washed my hair. Yeah, there's a storm going on. It's very windy, extreme wind out there again, and it's probably raining in the night as well. But yeah, it was, I guess, for the morning, I really believed it's gonna rain more during the day, and it did. So that was kind of nice, and it was kind of cooler air to run. I think that helped to kind of feel okay doing these 39 miles. The last 2 miles, I mean, they definitely were hot again. And tomorrow, supposedly, I don't know, 32 miles or something like that. And I don't know, uphill, downhill, flat, we will find out. But yeah, I'm excited to move on and soon be in the mountains and cross over to Chile. Ooh, it's exciting. And yeah, not much more to say. I think just have to organize, you know, always so many things. But I guess that's just a part of the deal. So yeah, well, thank you very much for joining me, and if you're interested in checking out any of my other videos, please do so. They're up in the corners. Yeah, I think tomorrow is, I mean, gonna be a hot day anyways, even if it's raining. So yeah, dream big too, my friends, dream big too. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.